If you have a qualification obtained outside Ireland and you are looking to work in Ireland or you're looking to relocate to Ireland, let's say you have a diploma or a degree that you obtained in South Africa or Nigeria or Ghana, and now you're looking to find out if you can use the same qualification in Ireland, this video is for you. Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Claudia, but I prefer people calling me Bonnie. So in this video, in this channel, we talk about education, career opportunities that you may have in Ireland. So as I have said, that if you have a qualification that you obtained outside Ireland and you're looking to relocate, or you are already living in Ireland, you are worried if your qualification is recognized or not. This is the steps and this is the way you can get to find out if your qualification is actually recognized or it's similar to a certain qualification here in Ireland. And this might help you to work in Ireland by comparing your foreign qualification to the Irish education qualification system. So I'm saying this from experience because I used the same system when I first relocated to Ireland. I didn't know if my qualification was recognized or not. I took a long step to find this route, but at the end of the day, when I found it, it worked for me and I'm still using it even now. So I hope this will help you. So first things first, we're gonna talk about the NARIC. So NARIC is a system that is under the QQI in Ireland. QQI is the qualifications framework in Ireland that recognizes the education or the levels that are there in Ireland. I once did a video where I was talking about the levels from level 6, level 7, level 8, level 9. So if you know your level and you know the qualification that you have, when you go to the NARIC website, it's easy to compare your qualification and the one that they have in Ireland. Then when I was checking, I want to go through with you on how to check if your qualification is recognized, because I don't want to just explain it. I want you to see it. So first things first, let's go to the website for the NARIC. So you're gonna go to the NARIC official website, which shows the qualification database. In this website, more than 100, it's about 170 countries are actually recognized, and they have, it's 107 countries with a lot of qualifications under those countries. I'm not sure how many countries because it's different. From South Africa, I saw a lot of qualifications that were listed under South Africa. So it depends on which country you are from and your qualification, where is it from. So now I said, let's go back. I said we're gonna go to the official website. Then from there, you select the country where you are from. So in this case, let's make an example. You are from Nigeria. You're going to select Nigeria on the countries part there. Then after putting Nigeria, you're going to now scroll down to choose your own qualification. Which one is it on the list? And if your qualification is on the list, you're going to click on that qualification. Then from there, you're going to print the comparison certificate that you use to compare your qualification and the Irish one. So now, since you have this, whenever you are sending your qualification or you are sending your CV, you can also send your qualification with this certificate to show that your qualification is also recognized in Ireland as this level or as this qualification. Then if your qualification is not on the list, it's not the end of the day. Don't give up and think that your qualification is not recognized in Ireland. It might be still recognized in Ireland, because I have seen that a lot of qualifications are actually recognized. Your education is not useless, guys. Even if you studied in Africa or you studied in, like, to be honest, I worked with people where they told me in the past that we all come here to Ireland and we start again because all the qualifications are not recognized. There are engineers, doctors, and everyone from other countries or from Africa that are not recognized in Ireland. So everyone starts again and you start going to school for 4 years again. But that's not the case. If someone has told you that, that's not true. You have to first find out information before you take decisions that may affect your life. So if your qualification is not on the database that is already listed under the NARIC, the next thing that you can do is actually to contact them. So the way to contact them is for you to either email them, or here in the website, you can actually go to the part where you can request support from their services. So when you request the support, they will ask you for certain documentation, which is your qualification, obviously, and sometimes they may ask for the transcript from your because a qualification just says level 7, and sometimes not even written in English. So they may ask them the way to what do you call it, the English guys, the way to change the language so that they can read your qualification. And number two, they may ask for transcript to show what modules you really did under that qualification, so that when they are comparing, they can compare. Because since your qualification is not actually listed on this list, it could be that there is more documents or more proof or more things required before they could actually compare it to the Irish qualification. So don't give up on this stage because it's not on the part there. Just go and contact them and see if they can help you. If they help you, then that's when now they will also give you the script to compare that your qualification is actually compared to this in Ireland. I'll put the one that when I relocated to Ireland I had here. I had level 6 in civil engineering. It was a national diploma in civil engineering, which I obtained in South Africa. But when I came to Ireland, I used that and managed to get this comparison certificate to show employers that okay, this qualification is actually recognized here in Ireland and it's similar to the level 6 that is actually here in Ireland. Then, because I have said this, guys, it doesn't mean that I'm saying to you, don't get this wrong, because I have to specify this. It doesn't mean that I'm saying my qualification was recognized and I used this and I managed to get a job in civil engineering using this comparison. It doesn't mean that everyone who does it, who uses it, is going to actually get the job. Remember, it depends on the company. Every company have their own rules and their own laws. And if the company only accepts the Irish qualification, it's fine. The company only accept Irish qualification. You cannot force them to accept your qualification because you have the comparison certificate from NARIC. So that's the other thing that I have to emphasize. And the other thing that I have to add on top, having the qualification recognized doesn't give you the professional body recognition. I don't know if you understand that, but as an engineer, you are you are a recognized professional body with engineers in Ireland. Right now, I have my membership with engineers in Ireland. I have my membership as well in South Africa with engineers in South Africa because I had registered that. But if you don't have any professional body recognition, it doesn't mean that now you have compared your qualification. Now your qualification is recognized and the company is just going to employ you. Some companies, they want you to have the professional body membership or recognition. If you don't have that, they work hand in hand. So having this is a step further, but it doesn't mean that you are now guaranteed to get a job. Don't come for me saying you said this, but now we're not getting jobs. This is an example, or this is a way of using it, and see how you can make it work. And the last thing that I want to give is the disclaimer. Guys, I do not work for NARIC, I do not work for any university, and I do not work for any hiring body in Ireland, hiring agents in Ireland. When you are sending me messages, you asking for advice and you asking how can you do things, and I'm just a career coach that I can coach you from my own experience and from my own research that I do around Ireland. So when you're coming for me, you're coming for advice, but you're not coming for a job. You're not coming to be registered in any university. You're not coming to get your qualification recognized. I do not get qualifications recognized. I help you go through the steps that I went through. I hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please follow up our next video. We're going to be talking about how to register for university.